In this video, we will talk about how to fix headphones connected but no sound Windows 11, Part 2. Method 1. Troubleshoot. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left, select System. Scroll it down, click on Troubleshoot. Then Other Troubleshooters. Run the audio troubleshoots. Click on Yes and follow the on-screen instructions. Method 2. Update or reinstall audio drivers. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. If you're using USB headphone, you might see USB audio device listed in here. Or if you're using Bluetooth device, then you will see Bluetooth device in here. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, right-click on your audio device and select Uninstall Device. Again, click on Uninstall. Afterwards, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Audio Enhancements. Right-click on Sound icon. Select Sound Settings. Scroll it down and select More Sound Settings. Click on Playback tab and select your headphone from the list. It could show up under Speaker. Now click on Properties. Then Enhancements tab. Here, you have to select Disable All Enhancements. Then click on Apply and OK. Method 4. Services. Click in Search, type Services. Select Open. Here, you need to find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click on both of them, one by one, and select Restart. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in I button above. See you in the next video.